Hey YouTube, just going to do a video on some of my cars, and here we go. Here's my 87 T-Bird. Oh, look at what we have here, Chevrolet, new body style Silverado. Yeah, what's up? It's a nice truck. So here we go, my faded ass Ford. Gonna repaint it at some point in history, I don't know when. It's got a 5.0 liter with a flowmaster muffler single. I just don't know what muffler it is. It's really quiet. Sounds good though. Yep. Sounds pretty good and subtle. It's not too loud on the inside. There's my house, my little house. It's nice. Here's my 83 Ram van. It's dead. Cylinder 6 is out. Gonna fix that soon. Don't know when. It's got rust and fade and all that bullshit. Here's my truck. My Sonoma GMC, professional grade. What's up? And my other dead Ram van well, I have two dead Dodges, go figure, and my dead boat, and my caddy that hasn't been running for 10 years. Wow. We should just like give these things away, have them towed or something. I don't know. There's that Chevy again. Truck I want. And there's my house. It's nice. I live in a nice quiet neighborhood. And that's all about what I have today, so bye.